Hey, what up, YouTubers and Facebookers? This is Clay with Clay's AC and Auto Repair and Clay Motion here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Hey, share my videos, subscribe to my page, and click the notification. Send me them nice comments. Remember, you can't break what's already broken. Don't be the first of them, be the next to you. And if any other man can do it, you can do it too. So what we were working on today was a 2003 Dodge Ram quad cab, 4.7. We put a single to dual exhaust on it. I think it sounds pretty sweet. I'm going to show you that here in a second, and I'll show you how we did it. Pretty simple stuff. This was actually from a Rumblebee. But you know, you can order them ones on eBay that are $250, $300. You can put it on here, and I'm going to show you how that sounds. I think the sound is going to be approximately the same. This one has like little resonators in the tailpipes, but pretty much other than that, the ones on eBay don't really have that. But it's a real nice system. Turned out sounds really good. So hey, keep them subscribers coming, and y'all have a great day, and I'll post up the picture of this thing running, or post up the video of this thing running anyway. It has a nice tone to it.